Hey Malakai, what do you got?
got
Is that a color changer car wash? And it has Dinoco McQueen. He's blue. And he looks like he turns black. Yeah, what do you think about it?
Open it.
Hey, you want to open it? Are we going to change some colors?
Change colors.
Okay, let's check it out.
Take it out.
Let's see. I think it has a quick open.
Oh,
Yep, right there on the dotted line. Let's open it.
Oh.
Whoa. Okay, we finally got the car wash ready to go. You like it?
Yeah.
Is this McQueen?
Yes, I'm the queen.
Yeah, it's Dinoco. Look.
Go.
Come over here, buddy. Come over here, Malakai. Look, let's drive it up. Let's give it a car wash. Whoa. What color is that?
Black.
Yeah, it went from blue to black. That's pretty cool. Look, let's move Guido. Whoa.
Yeah.
That's a cool paint job right there.
Black and
Yeah, it's black and blue.
black and blue.
Black and blue.
Black and blue.
Okay, let's change it back to blue.
Black and blue.
Alright, we got McQueen back.
Queen black.
Back to his Dinoco blue. We're about to give him another paint job. You ready? Let's do this.
No.
Squeeze it, squeeze it. Let's see the color. Whoa. Yeah. You ready?
Yeah, cars. Yeah.
Okay, let's get some friends to play with them. You want to change the other cars' colors? Yeah, it's black.
Yeah, it's a black.
Whoa, we got Jackson Storm. And Cruz. I forgot this guy's name. What's his name?
Whoa!
And we got Lightning McQueen.
The cars!
And we got another Lightning McQueen.
The car's black!
Yeah, it's black.
Yeah, the car's black.
Alright, now we got Jackson Storm.
Jackson Storm?
Yeah, Jackson Storm. He's cool.
Is it cool?
Yeah. And then we got Fillmore. You see Fillmore?
Well,
Fillmore. He goes, yeah, man. We're about to change colors. And then we got Lightning McQueen with white wall tires. He's red. And then we got Mater. Yeah, it's a Mater. It's Toe Mater, but without the toe. He goes, uh-oh. Calm down, buddy. He goes, hi, I'm Mater. Let's change colors. And then we got another Lightning McQueen. He's yellow.
Yellow.
Yeah, it's yellow. And then we have Cruz. Dinoco Cruz. And she's yellow too.
Yeah, too.
And then we have H.J. Hollis. He's yellow and purple.
Yeah, purple.
Number 68.
8.
Whoa. Okay. What car do you want to change colors first?
Green.
You want to change that one? McQueen.
Green.
Let's do it. Alright. We got McQueen. You giving him some gas?
Okay.
Yeah, he got the gas. Okay, let's drive him up and change his color. It's car wash time. Yeah. Whoa.
Oh, it's red.
He turned red.
It's so red.
Let me see.
Yeah, let me see.
Whoa. You see that?
Whoa.
He's red and yellow.
Yellow.
Yeah.
It's red there, yeah.
Alright, we got Mater. You giving Mater some gas?
Where's gas?
Yeah, Mater's getting gas.
Where's gas?
Alright, Mater's getting a car wash.
Ours.
Oh no.
Oh no.
It's out of water. Let's fix it. Okay, we got some more water. Whoa.
Whoa.
What color is it? What color is that?
Purple.
Let me see.
Let's see.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Made her turn purple.
Isn't it card too purple?
Whoa. That's
Oh,
weird.
it's weird.
That's pretty cool.
This is pretty cool.
You like it?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's do cruise. Boom, 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 boom. Dynaco.
There you go.
Dynaco.
Right?
Okay, let's see cruise.
Let's see. Cars orange. Whoa! What's that? Cars orange.
Whoa, cruise turned orange.
It's a orange.
Whoa,
Whoa.
that's cool.
Yes, the cool is cars.
Yeah, you want to drive it?
Yes. How?
Okay, let's do Jackson Storm. Jackson Storm.
Shut the storm.
Okay, we gotta refill the Dynaco water. Let's see. Hold on, let's see it. Let me refill it, buddy.
I feel it.
Alright, let's give Jackson Storm some gas. Yeah. Okay, let's give it a car wash.
Car wash. I got my car.
Whoa.
Oh.
Let's see. Let me see, buddy. Okay. What color is that?
It's a black.
Yeah, Jackson Storm turned black.
It's a black.
Whoa.
Oh,
That's cool.
it's cool.
Vroom, vroom, vroom. Vroom, 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 vroom. Jackson Storm. You like them?
Yeah.
That's cool.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh no.
Wow.
Okay, who do you want to do now? You want to do Fillmore? Fillmore. Let's see. Alright, Fillmore's getting some gas. Now he's getting a car wash. Whoa. Whoa, what color is that?
Blue.
Yeah, it's blue. Yeah, that's cool. You want to drive them? Let's see. Whoa, he changed colors again. That's cool.
Is that forward?
Yeah. You see the rainbow?
It's a rainbow.
Rainbow.
It's a rainbow.
Love. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, pretty cool.
Fillmore, man. Yeah. Boom, boom, boom.
Oh no.
Boom.
Oh.
What happened? Okay, let's refill it. Alright, we got McQueen. He's getting some gas. Okay, let's do a car wash. Let's see. Uh-oh, you okay? Whoa,
Whoa.
that's cool. Whoa, what color is this?
Black.
It's black.
Yes. It's a blue color. It's black.
That's cool.
Cool. Oh,
Yeah.
No one's
Which car do you want to do next? You want to do H.J. Hollis?
at your house.
Yeah, we can do that one. We gotta refill it.
Fit.
You got it? Take it off.
Stuck.
There you go. Boom. Let's refill it.
It's right.
Okay, we got H.J. Hollis getting some gas. Alright, you ready? Let's give him a car wash.
It's car wash.
Yeah. Let's see it. You ready? Whoa.
Green.
That's green. Whoa, that's awesome. Whoa. HJ Hollis is green and purple.
Green and purple.
Yeah, with a little bit of yellow.
Yellow.
Vroom, 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 vroom. You like the car wash?
Yeah, like car wash.
Here, let's drive them. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Okay, Malakai. Say bye and thanks for watching.
Watching.
How old are you?
Are you? 2?
Yeah, you're 2.
Yeah, 2.
1, 2. Say bye-bye. Have a nice time.